Let's make a pizza. Dust your peel with semolina flour and place your dough on top. Next, we're gonna add our cheese, and I love this Wonder Shredder. The shreds are massive. We're doing this one backwards. Cheese on the bottom and the sauce on top. Next, we're gonna launch onto our baking steel with the broiler red hot. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna spin this around and place it on the bottom baking steel to get it away from the broiler. Just 2 more minutes on convection bake, and then I'll remove it. And that is one beautiful pizza. Slice, serve, and enjoy.